I am back on this Camaro 98. I'm changing these trunk struts, both of them. So it's not too hard, but you're gonna need, what is it? One of these, which is let's see. I cannot really see the number on it, but I'm gonna try to do some research and see what number you need, which is a screen there. I did this one, and this you're gonna put a flat screwdriver here underneath or here, pop this down, and this comes out. This you can pull it out a little bit, so you have some room to take this rubber out. It's a good idea to pull this plastic this way. So I have one more on that side. I'm gonna try to film that one, so you see it how I do it. But if you want to take off that coat hanger, I'll show you how to do it. Take this coat hanger from here so you have more room to work here. What you do, this sits like this in here. You pull this out as much as you can. Try not to mess it up. You see how it slides? It slides in and out. And then to push it back, what you do, you can do like this. You push it with this, and then you push this. Let's see, yeah, and that's it. So you use one of these to pry it out once you pull this one out, like I said. And make sure you put like a piece of cloth here so you don't scratch this plastic. Just slide it out, and that's it. You need two hands to do this, so that's why. But when you do, you pull this one like this, slide it out. That's where the nut is. You unscrew it from here. And then you drop it from here. That's how I do it, but I need two hands. Remember, when you first start this, somebody's gonna have to hold this up for you, or somehow make sure that this sits up when you take off the first one, because if not, it's gonna come on you, it's gonna hit you. On the when you do the second one, I don't think you need help. So let's see. This comes like that, and then you pull it down. You need two hands again. It's out, but you need help even with the second one, because otherwise it doesn't stay. Or you put a piece of 2x4 here. Some people say to put pliers on that side over there, but I don't want to damage the new one. So I'm gonna try to get some help and finish it off. So let me show you how this goes. Make sure that it goes like this. this plastic goes this way against the car. That's how the screw goes in. I think I can do this alone. So I'm inside in the car. So what you do, you start by hand to tie this screw in. This is loose, so you start tying it halfway, and then I'll go outside, put it in there at that end, and then finish it off here. So let's do that. Yes, it works. So I pushed it in, and then I want to finish that to tie it up. And that's it. Thank you for watching. To take that screw off, like I said, it's one of these, and I think it's a T45. I'm not sure. It was in there, but it's one of these tool boxes that I have. Has different sizes. So if you get one of these, it's the bigger one. But like I said, I'm not sure if it's a T45. Thank you for watching.